Today I'm going to show you how to make a microwave mug pudding. You could call it a mug cake, but it's not quite the same texture as a cake. I don't feel like you can get that texture in a microwave, but this is the closest thing that I think you can get. So you will need 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and as an optional I used sprinkles, but you don't need these. Firstly, in a mug that is on the larger side, add in your milk, your oil, and your egg, and then mix together well. Then add in your self-raising flour and your caster sugar and your cocoa powder. And then again mix really well until you've got all the lumps out of your mixture. Then finally, just before popping in the microwave, I topped mine with sprinkles. Then I've put my mug onto a plate just in case of overspill, but it shouldn't do as long as your mug is big enough. But just in case it does, it makes it for easier cleanup. Then I microwave for 1.5 minutes. And that's it. That's how you make microwavable mug pudding.